Okay, good morning, welcome back. So this is part two. Now, we've already got the school added to the database. Here it is, right here. I click on it. Let's see, there you go. So, yeah, all the data pops up that we already had there. We'll look at the attributes, which shows everything in the data table from the database I created. So we have all this information. If you wish to display it, we could also do that. Not necessary though. So this is new with the update. There's this right here hyperlink you can click on, says create buffers. We want to do that. Okay, we have it preset to 5, 10, 15 miles radius, which is good. That's what we have, what we need. Okay, so we're going to apply that. Like, this is all new. It didn't used to work like this, but this gets it done. So we want to create a site, and what that does is it creates a layer. Right now we just have a point file, a shape file. So we want to do this, create a new layer. Just go with that for now. We can change it later. It's going to create the layer. Okay, so the layer's now been created. I'll go ahead and show you what we have here. So now, here we go. Here's the new layer. This is the point file. This is the layer. Now, we don't need this because we don't need two schools on the map. We only need one. This one has what we need. But we can clean this up when we do our cartography. But this one's unnecessary, so to delete it, if we delete it here, it won't be on the legend, but it'll still show up. So whoops, wrong thing here. Let's go back to here, but we need to delete it from here. Okay, so this is the one we're looking for. Alright, no, this is the one we're looking for. I'm sorry, there's no rings. This is just the file, so we need to delete that. And we know we deleted the right one because we'll go up here and we still have the rings down here. The one before did not have the rings, so it didn't have all the information we needed. That's the one we need, so that's good. This is how we create a site for our schools, so we know the radius and how close everything is to the schools.